Reinvent your door lock with WELOCK. A safer, smarter, more convenient way to secure your home. Your finger is your key. WELOCK is the keyless smart lock you can access by fingerprint, remote control, and smartphone app. Simply register your fingerprint, and you'll never search for your keys again. Easily share door access from anywhere without having to pass on a key. You can even open the door while your hands are tied. And with backup access, you never need a locksmith, even during power or battery emergencies. Installation is easy and fits all US and European standard locks. Unlock your smart home life with WELOCK.